At Nature Keepers, we are working so hard because we are expert. We are even growing our own plants. Let me show you. We are growing our own plants. Look!
This is called germination.
As an expert, we will teach you about plant parts. These are roots. They take nutrients from the soil. Take a look at the stem. The stem helps the plant stand tall.
The stem helps the nutrients get to the plant, and the leaves from the sun. The photosynthesis comes, making the leaves get their green color.
Wait a minute. What do plants need to grow? Plants need air, water, and sunlight to grow. If we not have plants, we're unable to live.
Plants make more seeds to make plants.
Salma, you think it's time to give them a house to our plants?
In soil,
Where can we find soil? Oh, in our vegetables patch.
Just a young gun with a quick fuse. I was uptight, wanna let loose. I was dreaming of bigger things and wanna leave my old life behind. Not a yes sir, not a follower. Fit the box, fit the mold, have a seat in the foyer. Take a number. I was lightning before the thunder.
Thunder, 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 thunder,
Thunder, thunder, thunder, thunder,
Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, thunder. Thunder. Kids were laughing in my classes while I was scheming for the masses. Who do you think you are? Dreaming about being a big star. They say you're basic, they say you're easy. You're always riding in the backseat. Now I'm smiling from the stage while you were clapping in the nosebleeds.
thunder, 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 thunder,
thunder, thunder, thunder,
Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder. Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder.
Benjamin, that was so fun. But what we are going to do so we can take care of the plants? We are going to give it air, water, soil, and sunlight. We are experts now. We know how to take care of our plants.
thunder, 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 thunder,
Wait until the reaper takes my life. Never gonna get me out alive. I will live 1,000,000,000 lives.
My patience is waning. Is this entertainment?
Give me some time to think. I'm in the bathroom looking at me, facing the mirror.
Guess what?
We came to do field work.
To
The Botanical Garden!
Wait until the reaper takes my life. Never gonna get me out alive. I will live 1,000,000,000 lives.
My patience is waning. Is this entertaining? My patience is waning. Is this entertaining?
Got this feeling, yeah, you know, where I'm losing all control. 'Cause there's magic in my bones. Got this feeling in my soul. Go ahead and throw your stones. 'Cause there's magic in my bones. Playing with the stick of dynamite. There was never gray and black and white. There was never wrong till there was right. Feeling like a boulder hurtling. Seeing all the vultures circling. Burning in the flames I'm working in. Turning in the bed that's darkening.
My patience is waning. Is this entertaining? My patience is waning. Is this entertaining?
Got this feeling, yeah, you know.
months ago, I didn't learn about plants. I didn't know what is a plant and a stem. My brain was a little not knowing, not something. It's just I don't have a brain. That's
You do have a brain, Angel.
it's that I don't have a brain.
Okay.
But now I know about plants that soil make nutrients and plants do more seeds. They do like 100.
A lot of time I didn't know about plants, but when I begin to first grade, Michelle told us that plants are so important, and then we start learning about plants.
What was your favorite thing that you learned about plants?
That the roots can grow super strong, and stem help plants to stay strong too. My favorite thing that I learned was that plants need water because I like to water plants. My favorite thing that I learned is that plants have fruits because I love to eat fruits. Plants make fruits.
That pesticide has to be healthy. A pesticide is this.
So my favorite thing that I learned about plants was the flowers. I learned of the flowers that they have seeds. Favorite thing that I learned is how plants grow. They need sunlight, water, and air, and soil. But some plants can grow with not soil. My favorite thing that I learned is that plants give earth to us. That plants help us breathe. My favorite thing that I learned is that the plants give us air. My favorite part is that plants give us air because with no air, we are not going to breathe anything and we're going to die.
Plants have roots and roots give absorb the sun of
They absorb nutrients.
they absorb nutrients. And the last one is that plants
help us breathe, and without plants, we will die and we will never go to Earth. Everyone will die if we don't have plants. I learned that plants have flowers and fruit and have leaves. My favorite thing that I learned it was that Miss Michelle told us about plants and how you say antes.
And before?
And before we didn't know about plants. My favorite thing that I learned was that the plants give food inside your body. You can grow plants now for you. Miss Michelle showed us about plants, and I know that plants need water, sunlight, air, and soil. That everything comes from plants. Even soda comes from plants because soda and everything comes from a type of plant, and flowers can be eaten, and I have eaten in my life only one flower and a blue one. My favorite thing that I know is that the plants have flowers. When Michelle told us that we can plant it with no soil, and we plant it and we do it in a Ziploc, and I like to eat flowers. I only eat one flower in my whole wide world, and it was yummy. It's like it was yummy. Miss Michelle teach us of plants, and I know that you can put peels of a banana in the soil because that can help plants grow and grow. That's called fertilizers. My favorite part is that we cannot use pesticides because it makes die animals and people hurt.
And it can hurt people.
And it can hurt people.
Thank you.